All right, welcome back to another video. Today is just gonna be a short one. We're gonna be talking about how to shorten up a choke cable. This applies to, any kind of older car with a carburetor with a manual choke, or even maybe a lawnmower or something like that. So you see this is the type of choke cable I'm dealing with here. And what I don't like is it comes out, it's kind of like snaking all over the engine. There's just too much here. So it's actually pretty easy to trim up. And some people might want to overcomplicate it by saying, well, I can't just cut it because it'll cut the inner cable. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. So loosen that up, loosen that one up. All right, and then you want to we're going to see how long we need it to be. All right, so once we get it to where you want, so this is the retainer for the actual cable itself, and up here is where the wire is going to go through. So what I'm going to need to do is make a couple of marks on the cable, basically. So this is the mark where you want it to end, and then it starting to feed the cable. And then basically we'll want it a little long here, just to give us a little bit of to work with. And see, obviously as the choke moves back and forth, that part needs to be bare cable right there. All right, so once you get, this is the max length of everything, the second line here, we can just take a pair of cutters and cut it off. All right, now here's the key to make it so we don't cut through the inner cable when we try to trim this out. I'm just gonna go in the car and pull the choke cable. In my case, I pulled it out about, about 10 inches. It's way further back in there than what I need to worry about. So then you just simply, now that's out of the way, cut that off. Make sure there's no burrs, nothing's gonna get caught on. Alright, so now push it back, and there's our exposed choke cable. We can go ahead and hook it up. Alright, so once we get our choke in there, just leave it a little bit, but trim off the excess. Alright, and then we check it for operation. Everything works good. That's how easy it is. Just to make a quick video, show you. Don't have to overcomplicate things. It's pretty simple, and you can do it before or after you already have the choke cable ran through the firewall of the car. If the video helped you, be sure to like it, subscribe for more. Until next time, we'll see you later.